Okay. That was heavy. Moving right along. The slide out is, the subfloor is done on the slide out. It's the floor left here. And then we'll be moving on to refinishing this kitchen. All right, she's looking good. Slide out floor is done. So the floors are basically finished. I gotta do all the trimming around the slide out faces, which is coming together pretty good. Tomorrow we go on the kitchen. Okay, we're gonna apply spray glue to the laminate. We're gonna apply spray glue to both surfaces, the laminate and the plywood. This is sanded plywood, so it gives us a good adherence. Then we're gonna laminate both of this together so we can do the countertop later. We'll throw it on the router. Now we gotta trim the ends, and we got a brand new countertop. Countertop edging is done. Cutouts for the stove. Just simple edging, a little bit longer. Rebuilding the dinette. I forgot that I have to record some of this. Moving right along. Dinette is in. These panels are refinished. This one is refinished too. This one here left. Countertop is fitted. Now we'll have to clean up the mess down there. Keep going. Okay, moving right along. All the power is reconnected. Next thing is going to be drawers. And then the countertop. Just a side note here. We're not mounting these drawers the way they were mounted. We just built a frame here. We got rid of these rear mounts. And the frame and these guides, these rails will just bolt it to this frame. It's a much sturdier setup. Top is in. All the drawer sliders are in. Alright, sink is in. Stove is in. I have to get a new sink gasket and probably replace this this faucet. Everything down here looks pretty good. Nothing is tight yet. We'll have to straighten all this out. And I'm out of beer, so that's it. Alright, tidied up a little bit. The only thing left now is the trim. All the doors are on. Microwave is in. I have to trim the microwave on top. All the trim, all the little finishing and dabbing. Siliconing. Couch will go in next week. Got the heater working, so I don't have to spend thousands heating it with electric. Yeah, so we're almost done this thing. That's better. I will have to deal with cutting this out upside down. That's more better. I'll have to edge band this. Screw it together and install. Hey guys, that's it for this episode. We'll do another episode 3 in the spring when the snow melts, and we'll probably do some finishing up on the interior. And we'll do a full reconditioning on the outside, so we'll show you how to take the vinyls off or maybe recondition them. We'll see. For now, we're in a deep freeze, so like and subscribe and watch my other videos. I bought a bunch of project stuff because of this COVID stuff happening right now. So there's a whole bunch of projects to work on in the shop. Thank you.